Okay, my PC is running, keyboard, mouse, and the USB hub connected. I am unplugging it, keyboard, mouse not working. And now for the Razer Tartarus to USB 3.0 hub port, sorry. And now something loaded. Installing device driver. The icon is clearly moving. I can't click and see what it's installing because my mouse is disconnected completely. We will see how it will behave. Maybe I can I can't. There is no way I can even try to turn on the mouse with the keys, arrow keys, because there is no arrow keys programmed by default on this keyboard. So, and the Windows hotkey, there is no. There is no way I can turn that on. Let's say I was plugging in and unplugging in out, sorry, the stuff for about the hub for about a minute, so 2.5 minutes. It's probably 2.5 minutes. It's installing this driver software. My keyboard, mouse, USB hub with keyboard and mouse and SIM controller is unplugged, and only Tartarus Pro is plugged. And now it's still installing some sort of driver. Last time I was able to take the picture I sent you with the one driver, composite USB driver installed, and 3 three different Tartarus Pro drivers installing for about 5 to 10 minutes. We will see how it will go down right now, because it's still 5 minutes in the video and it's still installing. It's probably the same drivers. There is no way I can click on this on this on this info about installing driver software to see what it's installing, but I bet it's those three different Razer Tartarus Pro drivers. Six minutes in. It's still installing. With my keyboard, mouse, and Steam controller connected via this USB hub, my PC freezes on instantly. So the fact that it's installing this only once, this happened before, that it's only once it was trying to install some sort of drivers for a long time, and that was after I was taking all the steps you wrote me via the email about uninstalling, deleting all the folders with Razer software, then installing .NET and C++ drivers from Microsoft site you provide me links with, and then installing again, running in administrator mode, and after this new clean install of Razer Synapse, that's exactly what happened. But the difference is, when the picture was taken, all the other devices were connected. My keyboard, my mouse, my USB hub, they were all connected, and the same thing happened. But okay, still finished downloading the game, so my PC is not frozen, as you can see, even by the icon still circulating all around, trying to install this. Sorry, my English is not that great, but I'm trying to explain the situation to you as clearly as I possibly can. So 9 minutes in the video. Oh, icon stopped, mouse. Icon stopped, but mouse is. There is a movement in the mouse. Now, I don't know if. Oh, my PC froze. Timer on the. Almost 10 minutes in, my PC froze. the timer on my wallpaper is not counting. Probably the same three drivers as I took the picture of the three Razer drivers that were stuck after the same situation like that, only right now, as you suggested, all my other devices are plugged out. Only Tartarus is connected. And still, my PC froze after 9 to 10 minutes mark while trying to install drivers. I don't know if you can see. You probably can. You probably could the entire time. There is no way for me to even open this pop-up window. Pop-up window. It's not a pop-up window. To open this little information right now to see which drivers, but I bet those are the same three Razer drivers that I captured on the picture I provided you with before. So I'm gonna end the video right now, or maybe I will. Well, no, my PC is clearly frozen. I'm gonna try to plug my hub, USB hub, to my 3.0. My 3.0, my 3.0, and still frozen, and my keyboard and my mouse did not turn on. So tell me what else I can do, what more I can do, because I don't know.